De La Salle AP Volleyball Women's Team. So, hi Mika, how are you? I really wanted to know, did you grow more this summer?
Ay, no na po. Stop na po.
Ay, hindi na? What is your height?
5'11".
5'11". Now, do you have tall parents?
Both my parents were tall.
Now, did you do anything special to become tall?
Nothing po.
Nothing?
In the genes po talaga.
Wow, you didn't eat any magic food or take any pill? How about sleep? You sleep a lot?
Sakto lang po.
Talaga? Hindi ka like, you don't sleep till 11? Obviously not kasi 8 o'clock pa lang may training mo.
Yes.
So how was your summer?
Training.
Anong training pa rin?
Yes po. Tapos may league po kami sa Blong Bago.
Ay, oo. So kahit walang pasok yung training pa rin kayo?
Yes po. Twice a day.
Twice a day pa rin? Wow. How do you recover from training? I know you're really young, so your body's always fresh. Pero ano yung ginagawa mo for recovery?
Lahat ng athletes kailangan discipline about sa pagtulog talaga ng maaga. Enough sleep po talaga. Hindi naman namin kailangan magpuyat. Kasi kami rin yung napapahama kinabukasan sa training. Kasi nandito naman po yung mga aksidente. So,
Parang, yeah.
Delikado po talaga.
Para malaman ang buhay ng isang athlete, share mo naman yung routine mo everyday.
Sa morning, as usual, bathroom, and then I eat my breakfast, and then training. After training, fast meal lang po ng lunch, and then I have 1 o'clock class, and then until 4, and minsan 4, minsan 6, and then training ulit. Or
Twice a day pala training.
sometimes, therapy lang po, para maka-adjust lang po yung sakit-sakit ng katawan namin.
So that's Monday to Friday.
And then Saturday, morning lang po, beach volleyball.
Beach volley. Parang cross-training mo.
Pero lahat po kasi required eh, kahit hindi po kami yung lifeout.
Talaga? And then, so once a day, sa Saturday,
Yes po,
half day
morning
lang.
lang.
Then afternoon, you're free.
Yes po.
So what do you do pag Saturday?
I rest lang po, pero pag sometimes usually po Sunday lang ako maalis with my friends para maka-relax naman po.
What do you do for, anong ginagawa niya with your friends? Where do you go?
Minsan po kami yung movie, hang out sa mall, or sa bahay lang nila. Yun lang po, chill lang po.
So simple lang, no?
Yes po. Hindi po ako masyadong maalis talaga.
Hindi ka mag-gimmick, ha?
Hindi po.
What food do you like?
Food. What kind of food? I'm a rice person po talaga. Hindi ko kaya nang walang rice ng lunch or
Talaga? 3 times a day ka nag-rice? Kasi you need a lot of calories. Now, what are your volleyball goals? What do you want to achieve as a volleyball? Do you want to be part of the national team? Do you want to turn pro? Or
As of now, wala pa po.
wala?
Wala pa. College level lang muna po ako and focus lang sa studies.
What is your course?
Maybe psychology.
So, do you have a job that you have in mind that you want to pursue? Hindi mo pa rin alam. Hindi pa?
Wala pa po.
How nice is it to be a part of the La Salle Volleyball Women's Team?
Sobrang grateful po ako na naging part ako ni Coach Ramel na under his program po kasi sobrang taas po talaga tingin ko sa kanya. Sa ilang years po na pag-stay niya sila sa ilang beses sa rin po siya nakakuha ng championship. So, sobrang saya ko na.
Yeah, you think kaya nyo ulit next year? Yeah?
Pero, hindi po sila gayabang, pero andun pa rin po yung eagerness namin manalo.
Confidence. Alright, Mika, thank you.
Thank you.
At good luck. God bless.